In front of me is a CYRUS CS40, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, hold the power key, select power off, and simply wait for the device to shut off. When that has happened, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time, and you should be in the boot mode. From here, using only volume up, you want to select the second option, which is Fastboot mode, and confirm it with volume down, and we're now in the desired mode. As you can see, Fastboot mode. So that is how you would put your device into it, and to leave this mode, simply hold power key. As you can see, when the screen turns off, you can let go, and the device will boot back up into Android. And we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.